In these days, there are a lot of professional traders and hedge fund managers who are using the Dark EAs to manage their funds. And in this video, I'm going to share you the amazing results by the Dark EAs. If you purchase this EA with our affiliate link, you will get all our the best settings and the VIP membership free of cost. Also, use this coupon and get a 10% discount on the checkout. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. I am your host Abdul and you are watching Trading Board Lab. Here on my screen you can see I got these two products by the Dark EAs, but there are some others as well that I will get in the future and make videos for you. That's it. For now I am working on the Dark Nova EA, and in this video I will show you the results of EURUSD on 5-minute time frame. To see the results, let's go to our website, which is Trading Board Lab. You need to simply write Trading Board Lab and you will see here the tradingboardlab.com on the top with this logo. You can check. It may take few seconds to load, and when you go to the backtest results, here on the top you can see loading EAs and their results and everything. And here straightforward, go to the Dark Nova EA and select the EURUSD in the single mode, because right now I want to analyze only EURUSD. Here on the screen it is very clear that when I started using this EA on the December 2021 to today 2025 September, and I got these results in all months are closed in the profit other than the May in 2023, and in the October 2022 it not open any trade. Maybe there may be some drawdown or maybe the market is in range, but overall there was no closing trade at all in the whole month of October. And if I move down you can see all these metrics here, the performance graph, and here you can see how much long is short. First of all, we will focus on the metrics. I use initial deposit is the $1,000 and I got 8% drawdown in the last almost 4 years. The total net profit I got is $408 in the whole period, and yes, it is not making any sense because every month is making like $3, $6, $15, 15 and 10 by investing $1,000. Yes, it not make any sense. But what if we use this here on multiple pairs, like the top 7 pairs or maybe top 10 pairs? When we combine all these reports, we will get a huge profit at the lowest drawdown, and this strategy I learned by some hedge fund managers. So let's analyze the results. Here is the total net profit, and the total number of trades are 162 with the win ratio is 96.9%. This means 97% of win rate with this EA. At least this EA is making consistent profit. The profit factor, the recovery factor, and all other values you can see here. Let's move to the performance graph. Here you see how nicely it is going up without any big drawdown. Okay, so in the whole period there is no big drawdown. All the times there are few and very small drawdowns. I hope you get a clear idea of the Dark Nova EA. Again, if you purchase this EA under our affiliate link, you will get our VIP membership for free, our settings for free, and the premium support at just one message. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.